Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by positioning the heater safely. Make sure it's on a stable, non-flammable surface and 1 meter from combustibles. Next, inspect the cord and housing visually. If you see frays or cracks, stop and repair or replace. Then plug into a dedicated outlet. Avoid extension cords because they overheat. Once done, turn the unit to its lowest setting and verify the fan runs. This initial run confirms power and airflow before increasing temperature. You now dial in comfort. Set the thermostat just a few degrees higher and wait. This helps prevent overshoot and short cycling. Increase fan speed or enable oscillation to move warm air across the room. Warm air at floor level rises, so circulation improves distribution. Make use of timers or ECO modes to avoid continuous operation. This reduces energy use and wear. If the room still feels cold, check door and window seals before increasing heater output. When you're done, lower the thermostat and switch off, then unplug. Cooling before storage prevents heat damage. While it cools, inspect and vacuum intake grills to remove dust. Clogged vents reduce efficiency and create fire risk. If the heater trips a breaker, emits burning smells, or cuts out repeatedly, stop using it immediately. Test on a different outlet only after a visual inspection or professional check. One quick troubleshooting tip: if airflow is weak, clean filters and vents.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.